Deutsche Bank saying it's going to seek an IPO price of roughly €32.50 for its asset management division. Stephen Arons is here. He covers Deutsche Bank for Bloomberg News. He's in London today. Perfect timing. Stephen, what do we think of this price?
It's in the middle of the range. The initial range was 30 to 36 euros per share, so it's in the middle. It's not at the top either, so but they're still going to get 6.5 billion euros for the valuation of the unit. So I think it's, in the middle.
The timing, given the market move, some might say unfortunate.
I think that's absolutely spot on. They were certainly not foreseeing this. Just a few weeks back, they said, this is on track. We're going to pull this off unless markets tank. They are sort of, maybe not tanking today, but they're not looking very
falling,
good.
Aren't they?
Yeah. So it's going to be the first day of trading is scheduled for tomorrow. We'll see what happens.
It's been in the offing for about a year, has it? What's the rationale behind it? Just part of the wider reorganization?
Right, that's right. I mean, John Cryan announced this IPO, the plan to IPO the asset management unit about a year ago, March 2017. The idea is, last year was part of the capital raise back then when there were concerns about Deutsche Bank's financial strength. Now they say it's about giving the business flexibility, strategic flexibility, giving it some acquisition currency if it needs it, and strengthening the visibility of the third, basically, division of Deutsche Bank, which is sort of smallish compared to the investment bank and also the retail unit.
Yeah, interesting week. Revenue headwinds, we learned yesterday, just a week after we thought the bad news was behind us. Never a dull day with Deutsche Bank. That's
true, especially for the first quarter. The CFO yesterday at a conference here in London said that, yes, there's 450 million euros in revenue headwind, mostly, though, related to FX effects. As you probably know, the dollar is much lower now compared with the euro, so translating that in euros here is difficult for Deutsche Bank. And they're still saying that they're expecting growth in the trading unit for the full year.